It is a truly lovely day here in Los Angeles. Pretty much always is. But we haven't had a lot of rain recently. Kind of need it. So I wrote this tune to try and bring on the rain. I'm going to call it Rainy Day. I could play you this tune on a rainy day, and we could sit and sing and say that all troubles go away, 'cause there's plenty of fish in the 7 seas. Still one fish keeps eating at me, but I've got to pick up and we got to get down, or smell it in the air, or it's all around. So feeling that we feel that it's deep inside, let it all hang out and then there's nothing to hide. People always saying do this or do that, we got to get together, I know that's a fact of life. Oh yeah, and it'll be okay. Till then I'll just say that I'll play you this tune on a rainy day. We sit and sing and say that all troubles go away, 'cause there's plenty of fish in the 7 seas. But still one fish keeps eating at me, so I'll play you this tune on a rainy day. We sit and sing and say that all troubles go away, 'cause there's plenty of fish in the 7 seas. Still one fish keeps eating at me, and there's that fish on the reef, and it can't get away from the crack in the water, and he's just gotta stay in the same place time after time. These sublime vibes keep writing my rhymes. I'm just going with the flow, and I think they take me, and currently my currency is nowhere to see. But I know I'll be fine, it'll be okay. Ooh, I'll just say that I'll sing to the moon for a better day, until my face turns blue with no more to say, until you come along and find me without inspiration, and sing you the most pretty tune about the birds and the bees. Yeah, I need you to be here with me. I need you here with me, so I just play this tune on a rainy day. Can sit and sing and say that all your troubles go away, 'cause there's plenty of fish in the 7 seas. Still one fish keeps eating at me, so play you this tune on a rainy day. When all your troubles go away, there's plenty of fish in the 7 seas. Still one fish keeps eating at me, so I'll play you this tune on a rainy day. On a rainy day. Ooh. So I'll play you this tune on a rainy day. We can sing and sing and say that all our troubles go away, 'cause there's plenty of fish in the 7 seas. Still one wish keeps eating at me, and I'll play you this tune on a rainy day. So sit and sing and say, so all your troubles go away, 'cause there's plenty of fish in the 7 seas. Still one fish keeps eating at me. It is beautiful down here, but we need some rain.